Good morning. It's February 1st and we just had that big windy storm last night and I am about to go see the damage. Okay, this is my patio. Normally there's an awning right here, but I had to retract it because of the way the wind was. So, oh wow, look, you can still see hail from last night. Wow. Shocking. There's some of my cushions. Every single thing fell off this table. Oh my God. That's our ping pong table. See this tree? That tree is the bane of my backyard's existence. It was swaying, I want to say like 30 degrees at least, but I do know that they have a lot of flexibility, so I wasn't that scared. I mean, I thought about it, but I wasn't that scared that it would like crash into my house. Okay, so there's that. Here is my pool. There's my chair over there. And my pool, which is normally very, very clean. I don't know if you can tell, but the deep end for some reason is like brownish yellow. Ew. And back there, I see that there's a gate open back there. Let's see. Come on, Bodie. Let's go check it out. Ew, there's so much junk in there. All of these palm trees were like just whipping around and whipping around and whipping around. Okay. Now, my back gate is open. Terrible. Bodie, loose. All right, that's it for now.